Hello.
Yes, you can start.
Hi, namaste everybody. Good afternoon. How are you all? सबसे क्या आश्रम है क्या? Able to listen to everybody. I mean, the ones who want to talk.
Madam, your sound not clear.
Not clear.
Tintu bhai, you ask Amar Singh to mute everybody, then only we can hear. Tintu bhai.
Yeah, I would request everybody to mute so that everybody will be able to hear what the ones who are talking can hear.
Can you not mute everybody? Can you not mute everybody yourself?
No. That won't be possible because that would have to be done from your computers.
Amar can do it.
Yeah.
Vikram ji,
everybody please mute yourself, please. Everybody please mute yourself. Madam, start.
Okay. Namaste, welcome everybody. We'll start this event today with small Ganpati Aarti so that with all his blessings we can take things further. I can't hear that. So welcome everybody. We are here to witness. Yeah. So I cordially invite you all to inaugurate ceremony of which has newly set up of cotton testing and research development in Jalgaon. As you all are aware, association has an apex body representing all segments of the cotton and textile industry of the country, including merchants, importers, exporters, etc. 19 regional associations and 4 cooperative cotton marketing societies representing all up-country cotton producing regions of the country are affiliated with CAI and represented on its board as an associate director. Since the inception from 1921, CAI is seriously striving to serve cotton sector better. It has completed 99 years of glorious and stellar history in the service of the country cotton sector. It has entered its centenary year in October this year, and it has 11 cotton laboratory testings with various types with various sectors in the country. The laboratory began its inaugurated today on 12th laboratory of association set up to provide state-of-art, reliable and timely cotton testing facility to trade in a cost-effective manner. CAI has one of the largest networks of cotton testing laboratories all over India. CAI also maintains Indian standards, publishes daily portrays all the major growths of Indian cotton, and it has issues of certificates of origin, disseminate data through its bulletin, that is Cotton Statistics and News. And the website is caionline.in. CAI disseminates monthly crop estimates and carries out cotton development activities. It has setups with Farmers Act to set up in Jalgaon. So I would cordially invite Shri Atul S. Ganatra, President CAI, to deliver his welcome address.
Yeah.
And Mr. Atul Ganatra is the Chairman cum Managing Director of Radhalakshmi Group of Companies. He is leading industrialist, and apart from trading in cotton, his company is also involved in power generation and real estate. So he has around 40 years of experience, and I would cordially invite him to take things further. And I would want everybody to please give a round of applause to him. Shri Atul ji, please आप start कर सकते हैं.
Thank you. Shri Pradeep Kumar Agarwal ji, CMD of CCI. Shri Bhupender Singh Rajpal, President Maharashtra Ginning Association. Shri Pradeep Jain, President of Khandes Ginners, CI members, and all my cotton friends. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this meaningful occasion of inauguration of the CI Cotton Testing and Research Laboratory in Jalgaon. I express my sincere thanks and gratitude to each one of you for sparing your valuable time to attend this important event. I am specially thankful to Sri Agarwal ji, CMD of CCI, for accepting my request at a short notice to inaugurate the CI laboratory in Jalgaon. The world over-marketing of cotton has undergone a sea change. Now testing of cotton is done on the basis of quality parameters rather than varieties, and the instrument testing has become order of the day. In fact, in the countries like USA, 100% testing reports are done at ginning level. The purpose of starting laboratory in Jalgaon district is because in this area there is no cotton testing laboratory is available, and this area is producing around 15 lakh bales of cotton. So it was necessary and requirement of more than 100 ginners of the Khandes area. Since cotton testing of your lot available, I request all my ginner friend of Khandes area to do the testing of your each and every lot before dispatching to your buyers. If you know the taste of your cotton sold by then you will be able to avoid the disputes which will arise with the buyers, and you will be knowing the fact of your cotton ginned by you. To open a laboratory in Khandes was a long pending promise given by CI to Khandes Association. CI is glad that we have now fulfilled our promises. CI is always ready to provide the service to the cotton trade. The CI, which was established in 1921 and has entered in its 100th year on 19th October 2020 this year, and from last 99 years, CI is always ready to provide service to the cotton trade of India. CI is already having 12 laboratories in India, and we can say most of cotton growing states CI have testing laboratories. CI is providing cotton testing service to the entire India with no profit, no loss testing charges. Since CI motto is not to make a profit in the laboratory testing, but to provide service to the trade. Under our laboratory chairman, Sri Rinkubai Pandya, and our laboratory committee members are working very hard to give proper and fast testing result in the all laboratories. I am thankful to CCI who are using CI laboratories for testing and giving us good business. I hope this support to CI will continue in coming years. I am confident cotton people of Jalgaon and entire Khandes will take full advantage of cotton testing facility installed by CI in Jalgaon. For the benefit of Khandes ginners, CI has made special arrangement for picking of cotton samples from Jalgaon bus stop, so that ginners and traders need not visit personally to the CI laboratory Jalgaon to deliver the cotton samples. They can send their cotton samples by bus to Jalgaon, and the same sample can be collected from CI staff from the bus stop. After testing, the test result will be provided to you after carrying out necessary test by email. I am confident that people of Jalgaon will take full advantage of cotton testing facility installed by CI in Jalgaon. I wish very happy Diwali and prosperous New Year to entire cotton trade in India, and also I wish all the best for upcoming new cotton season to all. Thank you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Namaste.
Thank you, Atulji. I would request Mr. Shri Pradeep Kumar Agarwalji to inaugurate our event. He has been profound experience of nearly 3 decades in cotton industry. After joining CCI in 1994, he had headed the various departments, and he was selected for PSEB as Director of Finances in 2012 and as Director Marketing in 2019. Working on various capacities in CCI, he always had professional approach to deal with situation and played vital role in formulating marketing and financial strategies. I would request him to please come forward and do the inauguration, and I would request him to click on the mouse for the inauguration. Please welcome Mr. Shri Pradeep Kumar Agarwalji, CMD from CCI.
Just video के लिए दे दीजिए.
Agrawalji is there?
Yeah, he's there.
Yeah, but
But he has to press the mouse.
yeah,
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
Would request him to please press the click button on the mouse.
We can't see him. Can
Yes.
No,
Agrawalji?
he is there. अग्रवाल जी आपको माउस को प्रेस करना है.
You can see him.
Yes.
Any
We
particular
can
point?
start video.
Yeah,
Into by video start.
yeah.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या
Already done.
वीराभरणपण्डितकरा
First bar होता है, आखिर चालू सर.
या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करभूतिः
हाँ वर्गी, हाँ बोल।
Thank you, Agarwal ji. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Agarwal ji. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
And with the inauguration, we will have a great business, sir. With the
Sir,
blessing.
I would like to mention that last year we had given around 25 lakh bale sample to you, sir.
Wow.
25 lakh bales, almost
Very great.
25%.
Very nice.
हेलो
Yeah, please continue.
अग्रवाल जी सर एक रिक्वेस्ट रहेगी छोटी सी स्पीच अगर हो जाए आपकी साइड से तो
Good afternoon and namaskar to all of you. It is indeed a great privilege for me to be a part of this virtual event today. I convey my sincere thanks to Shri Atul Bhai, President CI, and his entire team for giving me this privilege and honor for inaugurating your state-of-art testing lab set up in Jalgaon, Maharashtra. I am really humbled with this honor. CCI and CAI, I would like to mention they are complementary and supplementary to each other. We are not different, we are same. You are the apex body which provides a wide range of service like helping farmers through training programs, development of cotton activities, cotton testing, certificate of origin, and in case of dispute, you are extending help through arbitration to the various segments. All segment of cotton trade, whether it is a mill buyer, grower, cooperative, ginner, broker, merchant, importer, exporter, everybody is associated with you. This is a unique type of combination CI has. And even CCI is a part of it. We are also a member of your esteemed association. As I know that CI was already having 11 testing labs, but with this new venture, now you have 12. I think am I right? Now with
Yes,
this,
correct.
and this is an extra mile by setting a new cotton testing lab in Maharashtra, Jalgaon, which has almost 15 lakh bale production. This will be of great help to segment. In this today competitive market, cotton testing is paramount because it helps in taking timely decision and technical judgment about the quality, how much is to procure, where it is to be procured. It will be certainly very great opportunity for all the buyers in that area. I congratulate CI for this innovative work and wish all the success for future assignments. CCI is committed to help all possible help to CI, and last year we tested around 25 lakh bales with your association. This time I am hopeful it will be more than last year. I can assure you that. With these words, I am again express my thanks to CI. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you.
Thank you, Agarwal ji. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I would request Mr. Pradeep Shantilal Jain to, give us the Thanksgiving speech. But before that, I want to, tell you all about him. He is the founder president of Khandesh Canning and Pressing Factory Owners Association since 2002. He holds a mechanical and electrical engineer and diploma in business management. And he is been associated with this business from 1997 to 2009 and is also engaged in agricultural farming. I would please request him to come, to come on the screen and give us a Thanksgiving speech about it.
Okay, thank you and welcome all. आज के इस मीटिंग में उपस्थित सभी डिनर कॉटन ट्रेडर्स को दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं तथा आने वाला सीजन आपको बहुत अच्छा रहे, यही मैं ईश्वर चरण से प्रार्थना करता हूँ। आज की इस ऑनलाइन मीटिंग में सभी उपस्थित डिनर लीडर्स का मैं स्वागत करता हूं और सभी को धन्यवाद देता हूं। आप सभी को पता है खानदेश एक कॉटन ग्रोइंग एरिया पूरे इंडिया में फेमस है। खानदेश की क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है। आज खानदेश में लगभग 150 जिनिंग प्रेसिंग फैक्ट्रीज है और हर साल लगभग 20 लाख गठान का उत्पादन होता है। आज तक खानदेश में कॉटन टेस्टिंग लैब नहीं थी। इस वजह से खानदेश के जिनर व्यापारियों को सैंपल टेस्टिंग के लिए बाहर गांव भेजना पड़ता था। उसमें काफी समय व्यतीत होता था। यह समस्या जानकर खानदेश जिन प्रेस एसोसिएशन ने कॉटन एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया को विनंती की कि आप जलगांव में कॉटन टेस्टिंग लैब डालें तो कॉटन ट्रेड को बहुत फायदा होगा। मुझे बहुत खुशी है श्रीयुत अतुल भाई ने तभी हाँ भरी और आज का यह कार्यक्रम संपन्न हो रहा है। कॉटन एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया की पूरे भारत में 12 टेस्टिंग लैब है। इसकी खासियत यह है, इसकी विश्वसनीयता, पूरे विश्व में इसके रिपोर्ट एक्सेप्ट किए जाते हैं और आज यह फैसिलिटी हमारे जलगांव में उपलब्ध हो रही है। मैं खानदेश प्रेस एसोसिएशन की तरफ से श्रीयुत अतुल भाई तथा उनके पूरे बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूँ। उसी प्रकार श्रीमान रिंटू भाई, चेयरमैन कॉटन टेस्टिंग लैब कमेटी, इन्होंने बहुत ही खुशी और मेहनत से यह काम संपन्न किया। इसके लिए उनको विशेष धन्यवाद। आज हमारी सबकी विनंती को देखकर माननीय कॉटन कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया के चेयरमैन माननीय श्री अग्रवाल साहब, उन्होंने आज का ओपनिंग किया। इसके लिए मैं उनका बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ और जैसा उन्होंने कबूल किया है कि सभी टेस्टिंग जलगांव के लैब में करेंगे, इसके लिए मैं उनको खास स्पेशल धन्यवाद देता हूँ। उसी प्रकार हमारे मेंबर श्रीयुत अविनाश भाई काबरा जो कि सीआई के डायरेक्टर है, श्रीयुत प्रशांत भाई हमारे मेंबर्स है, इन्होंने काफ़ी मेहनत की और मदद की है। उसी प्रकार मकान मालिक श्रीयुत काबरा जी, इन्होंने तुरंत ही जगह हमें उपलब्ध करा दी। श्रीयुत हर्षल जी जोशी लैब इंचार्ज, इन्होंने इस सेटअप में काफ़ी मेहनत की है। हमारे मित्र सचिन चोरडिया, इन्होंने एमएससीबी का काम तुरंत और समय में पूरा किया, इसके लिए मैं उनका आभारी हूँ। इसी प्रकार जिन्होंने इस कार्यक्रम में मदद की, उनको सभी को धन्यवाद देता हूँ। एक रह गए हमारे मित्र ब्रोकर गिरीश भाई नागसी, इन्होंने भी काफ़ी हमें मेहनत मदद की है, इसके लिए मैं भी उनका आभारी हूँ। सभी से विनती है, आप इस टेस्टिंग लैब का ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फायदा उठाकर अपने व्यापार को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा करें। पुनश्च सभी को धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र। धन्यवाद।
हेलो, थैंक यू सो मच। और अभी अभी इनॉग्रेशन यहीं समाप्त होता है और विशिंग यू ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी दिवाली एंड अ वेरी प्रॉस्परस न्यू ईयर एंड अ न्यू हैप्पी कॉटन सीजन। सो थैंक यू सो मच। अगर आपको ऐसा ही कुछ इवेंट या कुछ करना है तो यू कैन प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट अस एंड दिस वाज बीन done by Flucky Creators, which is a digital marketing agency who looks after everything related to digital. Thank you so much.